To plan an object, you can use the drag and drop principle. The editing window will open up and you can rename the object, choose the font, and change the font's color. After you created it, you can extend the object. When you place an object behind one another, the other will automatically displace itself. The object can show the degree of progress of the task by choosing the percentage, for example 50%. And you can attribute some client contact information to a task too. You may also specify the start date and time, as well as completion date and time of the task. If a date is fixed, the object cannot be moved. It is possible to define an object as an appointment, and so to activate an alarm, mail, symbol, or both. You can also add a delivery date. If you are done with your object, you can also create a downtime. For example, for a day off. In the object, you can define the amount of hours for each project number. In this case, when you extend your object beyond the allotted time, a black bar appears indicating the amount of overtime hours.